Check if string ends with one of the strings from a list. What is the Pythonic way of writing the following code? I have a vague memory that the explicit declaration of the for loop can be avoided and be written in the if condition. Is this true?
Just use.
Though not widely known, str ends with also accepts a tuple. You don't need to loop.
$274 ns plus or minus 4.22 ns per loop, min plus or minus std dev of 7 runs, 1 million loops each.
I just came across this while looking for something else. I would recommend to go with the methods in the OS package. This is because you can make it more general, compensating for any weird case. You can do something like,
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.